Hello and welcome back to another freaking video. Let me zoom out. Anyways, see, I'm gonna be showing you how to make slime with this grit gum. It can be a strip gum, like this kind of gum, or it's like this, a cube. So yeah. Gum slime. Okay, so first, of course, you're going to need this. Need to get a gum. Strip of gum or a cube of gum. Cube of gum. It's just this. I don't know if it's going to work like for this kind of gum. And this is the ice gum. I'm pretty sure, like, if it's like this, it definitely won't work. So, yeah. I actually tested it and it did not work for me. I did not say you, I said for me. So, get your facts right. So, anyways, you need your gum. So yeah, so you're gonna get water. You can do it like just like this, or you can get like a container, something to mix in your gum. You can do that where you get to mix it and do all that stuff, but I didn't do mine like that. I just did mine like that. Turn the faucet on. Turn it on to hot water. Get your gun. And just hold it. And the balls already is in the gum. You can see that it is in like where the corn is going to start. I'm turning it back on because it's still not still wet. Can you see the little wall? Can you see the little wall? Okay, there's my slime. There's my other slime. I know this one right here looks bigger, but it's because I smushed it. But I swear, like, I used the same amount of cubes to create each of them. Create this. I used 1 cube for this one to create this line. And I used 1. And I used 1 for this one to create this one. Now time to mix it. Wait, one. Wait, 1 second. And can I remind about this morning? I don't know how people do. And it's making the crunch noise by itself. So don't say I edit that because I did not. I don't even edit my videos, if you know. But it's so... Look at her. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. But yeah. There's my... So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, comment down below what's your favorite type of slime. Is it fluffy? Is it butter? Or is it like just original slime? Like, well, is it galaxy slime? Is it glitter slime? My favorite slime is fluffy slime. I chose to make this slime because it's like so much better than fluffy slime. Well, my favorite. But thanks for watching and bye.